Hello, today we're going to explain how to maintain your Hoover Smart Vacuum Cleaner. First, release the bin by pressing the button on the top. Holding the cyclonic unit, push the lever at the bottom, which then allows you to empty the dirt out of the container. Once you have the cyclonic unit detached, swivel the lid, then swivel the HEPA filter, which then allows you to remove this for cleaning. To clean, you need to wash this under a tap or submerge it in a bowl of warm water. We do recommend that you leave 24 hours for this to dry, and also once a year it's best to replace these. For this you can go to our website. To put back together, locate in the head of the cyclonic unit, locate the head back in place, and then click to close. Also down here, using your thumb, you can remove the exhaust filter. Remove the inner filter. This needs to be cleaned either under a tap of running water or submerged in a bowl of warm water. Once a year we recommend that you replace this by going to our spares website. Place this back inside the filter housing, locate it in the bottom and click until it's shut. Locate the container in the body of the appliance and push until it clicks closed. If there's a loss of suction, we need to check that the hose is not blocked. We need to remove the hose by taking it off the one end and then taking it out completely. To unblock your hose, find a broom handle or a pole. Feed this into the neck of the hose and push all the way down until it comes out of the bottom. This will then push out the obstruction out the other end. To check that our hose is clear, we'll use a pound coin, and if it falls right through to the bottom, we know that it's clear. If your vacuum cleaner is not picking up, it's important to check to see if the belt has snapped. First, switch on your appliance. So now we need to turn the vacuum cleaner over by pressing the release pedal, lowering the vacuum cleaner down, turning it over so we can get access to the screws in the bottom of the panel. For this we need a Phillips crosshead screwdriver, and we'll take the screws out. Lift off the plate. Remove the brush by holding it firmly at both ends and pulling it towards you. Remove the broken belt. To put the new belt in, pinch one end to make a teardrop, and using the screwdriver, use it to hook around the end of the shaft. Hook the brush under the belt and stretch this until the brush locates Give it a quick rotate to make sure it's in properly. Put the plate back on, then refit the screws to secure. Once back in place, tip the vacuum back upright again.